Welcome again to my Homestyle Cooking Channel. Today we're gonna make something unique desserts. It's really ideal for those people in the village. This is an Asian dessert actually. So today we're gonna make a Taro sweet balls and sweet potato balls. To make a sweet potato balls, we need a sweet potato. It has been peeled already. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will cut into cubes, small cubes. Alright, and for our sweet taro balls, we have nice and fresh taro fruit on it. We're gonna cut again into cubes. Alright, it's done. And we're gonna boil it till it becomes very soft. Let's check our sweet potato. Now it's soft already. So it's time to take it out. Same as with sweet potato, our taro root, we have to boil it till it becomes very tender. Alright, let's check now. Now it's soft. So we're gonna take it out and mash. So we have to mash our sweet potato. Alright, it's done. So we gotta mash our taro root also. Alright, it's done. Our ingredients for sweet potato balls are 1 cup of sweet potato that we mashed. Same quantity, 1:1 of cassava starch or tapioca starch. Half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt on it, and 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Just mix it together. The quantity of potato starch is depending on your sweet mashed potato. If it is watery, so it's required more tapioca starch on it. So what we're gonna do is to work on the table. So divide into 3. 1. You put nice red color on it. And then 1 is green color. It is only optional, guys. Just leave it like that until absorbed. And then 1 is yellow. So this is the yellow, and now the green color. Now the red color. One more thing, guys, in the village there are plenty of pandan leaves. So instead of vanilla, you can flavor with pandan leaves. It's really great. Lightly for the surface. The shape is, it's up to you guys if you want to shape in the small balls. But for me, this is the practical way, quick and easy. This recipe also the same, guys, for our favorite bubble tea or milk tea. All you have to do is to form in a small balls and boil the same. So you guys, in these recipes you can do unlimited bubble tea or milk tea at home. For the milk tea base, you just blend the fresh milk with a little bit sugar or condensed milk on it. plus crushed ice, and that's it. You can also do the same with the purple yam, something nice flavor and purple color. Now a little bit of cassava starch on it, so it will not stick together. Now that's the time we have to cut. Please follow same procedure for taro sweet balls as well as the recipes. Now ready to boil. It's really nice, colorful. Look at this. You guys, you can do it. If you want, don't put any food color. But for me, I want something colorful. So it has been float now in the water. It means it's already cooked. So we're gonna take it out. Syrup on it. So it will not stick together. Drop on the syrup. Mix on the syrup. As you can see, guys. So you can keep at room temperature like this way. It will not stick together because of the syrup. Now it's ready, guys. As you can see. So it's ready for plating. This is in the bowl. And then the condensed milk. Thumbs up. Oh, it's really yummy, guys, huh? Look at this. So now it's done. This is our sweet potato balls and sweet taro balls. Delicious. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Say happy cooking at home, and I'll see you in my next vlog.